Before we start today, I want to ask you a simple question. Please don't answer out loud. Just think about it. What does your day really look like? From morning to night. Not the perfect day, not the dream day, but your real daily routine. Hello, welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where we learn English slowly, clearly, and naturally. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma, and hello to everyone listening today, at home, at work, or maybe on the bus. I'm Davie, and I'm happy to be here.
I'm happy too, Davie. Today feels very familiar.
Yes, because everyone has a daily routine.
Davie, how do you feel about your daily routine?
I feel comfortable, but sometimes bored,
That's honest. Why comfortable?
because I know what to do. Every day feels safe,
And why bored?
because every day looks the same.
I think many people feel that way. Let's start with the morning. Davie, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
What is the first thing you do?
The first thing I do is check my phone.
Many people do that.
Yes, then I get out of bed, I brush my teeth, and wash my face.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do. I usually eat toast and eggs, and I drink coffee.
That sounds nice. Do you feel rushed in the morning?
Sometimes, when I wake up late, everything feels fast.
What do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I get dressed and leave the house.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
What do you usually do on the bus?
I listen to music. Sometimes I listen to English podcasts.
That's a great habit.
Yes, it helps me relax and learn at the same time.
Tell us about your day at work.
I usually start work at 9. I check my emails first.
Then what?
Then I work on my tasks. I talk to my coworkers. I attend meetings.
Do you enjoy your work?
Some days, yes. Some days, no.
That's real life.
Yes, when work is busy, time goes fast. When work is slow, time feels long.
What about lunch?
I usually eat lunch at 12:30.
Do you eat alone or with others?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with coworkers.
How do you feel after lunch?
A little tired, sometimes sleepy.
Me too. Afternoons can be difficult.
Yes, that's when I need coffee again.
What do you do after work?
After work, I go home and rest.
How do you relax?
I watch videos. I cook dinner. Sometimes I take a walk.
Do you exercise?
Not every day, but I try to walk at least 3 times a week.
That's good for your body and mind. What is your night routine like?
At night, I eat dinner, I take a shower, I prepare things for the next day.
Do you use your phone before sleep?
Yes, too much.
Many people do.
I know it's not good, but it's hard to stop.
Davie, what have you learned from your daily routine?
I have learned that small habits matter.
Can you explain?
Yes, waking up early helps my whole day. Eating well gives me energy. Resting helps me feel calm.
That's a very important lesson.
Big changes start with small routines.
If you're listening right now, think about your daily routine. Is it helping you, or is it making you tired?
You don't need a perfect routine, just a better one.
Now we have a question for you. What does your daily routine look like?
Write your answer in the comments. Use simple English.
If you're learning English day by day, subscribe and learn with us.
You are not alone on this journey.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning.
Before we begin today, I want to ask you a gentle question. Please don't answer out loud. Just think about it quietly. How do your mornings really feel? Not the perfect morning, not the morning you see on social media, but your real morning, when you open your eyes and start a new day. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where we learn English slowly, clearly, and naturally. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma, and hello to everyone listening today, at home, at work, on the bus, or maybe still in bed. I'm Davie, and I'm happy to be here.
I'm happy too, Davie. Mornings are a special time, aren't they?
Yes, they are. They can be calm or very stressful.
Davie, how do you usually feel in the morning?
I feel sleepy.
Sleepy?
Yes, my body wakes up slowly. My mind wakes up even slower.
That sounds familiar.
Some mornings I feel peaceful. Other mornings I feel rushed.
What makes a morning rushed?
When I wake up late, when I check my phone too early, when I think about work right away.
Mornings really set the mood for the whole day. Let's start from the very beginning. Davie, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
Do you wake up with an alarm?
Yes, I do. I use my phone as an alarm.
How do you feel when the alarm rings?
Honestly, I want to sleep more.
Do you press the snooze button?
Yes, sometimes once, sometimes twice, sometimes 3 times.
You're not alone. Many people do that. What is the first thing you do after you get out of bed?
The first thing I do is check my phone.
What do you check?
Messages, the time, sometimes the weather.
How does that make you feel?
Sometimes calm, sometimes stressed.
Why stressed?
Because I see work messages or bad news.
Mornings are very sensitive moments. After that, what do you do?
I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I do. A warm shower helps me wake up.
How do you feel after the shower?
Cleaner, more awake, more ready.
Small actions can change how we feel. Let's talk about breakfast. Do you eat breakfast every morning?
Not every morning, but I try to.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat bread or eggs, sometimes fruit, and I always drink coffee.
Coffee sounds important.
Very important. Without coffee, I am not fully awake.
Do you eat slowly or quickly?
Quickly. I'm often in a hurry.
That's very common. What do you do after breakfast?
I get dressed. I check my bag. I make sure I have my keys and phone.
Do you plan your day in the morning?
Sometimes, I think about what I need to do.
Does that help you?
Yes, when I have a plan, I feel calmer.
Planning can reduce stress. What is it like when you leave the house?
It depends. If I'm early, I feel relaxed. If I'm late, I feel anxious.
Do you listen to anything on your way out?
Yes, I listen to music or English podcasts.
That's a great way to use your morning.
Yes, it helps me start the day in English.
Davie, what have you learned from your morning routine?
I have learned that mornings are powerful.
Powerful?
Yes, a calm morning gives me a better day. A rushed morning gives me stress.
That's a very important lesson.
Small habits in the morning change the whole day.
If you're listening right now, think about your mornings. Do they help you feel calm, or do they make you tired before the day starts?
You don't need a perfect morning, just a kinder one.
Even one small change is enough. Now we have a question for you. What is the first thing you do in the morning?
Write your answer in the comments. Use simple English.
If you're learning English day by day, morning by morning, subscribe and learn with us.
You are not alone.
Thank you for listening today. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Have a peaceful morning.